Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This rice cooker customer has given me. Customer said its problem is water is only warming, but water is not boiling. It's not hot, and it's not cooking also. Yeah, just the water is warm only. So let's see. If I turn it on, it's moving to the cook. Yeah, it's moving to the cook, but it's not cooking. Yeah. So let's see, I'll open the back cover, then video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have removed the back cover. Yeah, this is the thermal fuse. Yeah, temperature fuse. So this no need to check. I have checked also. There is should be continuity, and there is also thermal fuse. Yeah, so no need to check thermal fuse also, but you can check should see continuity, because if there is any fuse is spoiled, you will see no light. So there is light, so our plug, cable and fuse all are okay. So this problem is here. There is one connector. If turn on, it's connecting, and show you. Yeah, this is there is one connector. If I turn it on, so it's connecting, but this connector is not connecting properly. So in this situation, we have to clean the sandpaper only. Yeah, you put inside, then you just move it. So up and down, both of connector will be clean. Yeah, this inside remove this. So you put it inside and you move it, check, then it will be clean, then it will work fine. So I'll clean. Yeah, I have put inside and insert it and move it like this. Yeah, yeah, I have cleaned. So I'll put it all the screws back, then I'll put some of water, then we have to test it so water is boiling or not. So then we will be back. Okay dear viewers, for testing I have put some of water. If everything is okay, then this water should boil. Yeah. So I'll just turn it on. So after 5 minutes we will be back. Okay dear viewers, I think it's cooking, boiling. Yeah, so let's see. So alhamdulillah, it's working fine. See, water is boiling. So thank you so much, it has been successful. So assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.